Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari again. Today I'm presenting you the brand new 2026 Forest River Heritage Glen, Wildwood Heritage Glen 356QB. This fifth wheel has 2 entry doors and 2 bedroom and 2 full bathroom. So 2 bedroom in the front, bedroom in the back, 2 full bathroom, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, 2 entry door, 1 from the living area and 1 from the rear bath in the back. Let's go inside. I don't want to talk too much. I want to get straight to the point and show you all the nice features about the Wildwood Heritage Glen 356. You walk from the back. What I really like, it has a long handle for the lock. It's easy to get in. Voila. I am in the second full bathroom. It has a nice cabinet for towels in the second bathroom. Nice fan in the ceiling with LED light. If the cameraman, I want to show one thing. Even the second bathroom has solid surface counter. Nice oval shape with LED light. No issues with height. Look the height. No issue. Elbow. It's very roomy. And the toilet is a porcelain. And if I sit in the toilet, my knees, no problem. And for distance. So this is the nice thing about this unit. And then this is the door you come in. You walk from this to the second bedroom. And the second bedroom has multi-functions. Now, everybody making this kind of floor plan, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. But they give you a king size bed in the front and a queen bed in the back here. And 2 bath. But this particular 356, it gives you even more sleeping. More livable space, especially when you have 3 kids, 2 kids, toddlers. They like to sit on the floor with their toys to play with it. There's more things here. I could use a really nice dressing area. So it has multi-functions on it. First, you have the bunk right here. And I could raise the bunk and latch it up. And voila. I have 3-seat gaucho sofa and I could sit, enjoy the big TV opening right there. So I could put 40-inch TV. I could play Xbox, FIFA. I love to play FIFA. And if I want to turn this to a bed, very simple and easy. Second, we're talking about second. I could open this a bit and voila, you could see. You could sleep 1 person this way, another person here, or if just 2 kids. So this fifth wheel, I could sleep 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to make this, it's still very roomy. Let me show you. Still very roomy. I could open the door, no problem. I could get to this bathroom with no problem. If I want to put it back, just flip it, voila. There's nothing to it. Simplicity, I like it. Actually, the Heritage Glen 356 is the first fifth wheel company. They made the concept of the 2 bedroom and the 2 bath. Voila, and then you have a bed. You could use this as a step to get in, or shelves, big TV, more closet, hanging clothes for the kids, or whatever who's sleeping here. So this is the second bedroom. Now we're gonna go through the living room and go to the main. If when you walk in the living room, look how spacious, look all the nice things about it. Big smart TV, 31-inch fireplace. I like the fireplace mantles. They don't waste any space. They give you shelves and cabinets. They come over here with a two-door fridge and freezer, and the big one, 12 volt. You can run it off the battery. And again, no worries because you have 200-watt solar panel on the roof. There's a place here with the storage bins, wine rack or bottle rack, 30-inch microwave, residential 4-burner. And yes, I could put a turkey inside. Big oven. All these doors, tinsel doors. That's the manuals, remote controls. More storage. I give you a sample of infinity shelf. And don't tell me there's no pantry. You have your pantries right here. And it has full price. So full pantry, full kitchen. Now, solid service countertop. That's another emphasis about the Wildwood Heritage Glen. Solid service. And if you need more counter space, so when I sit, wash the dishes, I have a nice prepping area on the left and on the right. So this make a big difference on the unit, that extra countertop. Okay, coming over here across from it, we have a nice U-shaped dinette. I love the tables because this is the new table. I could twist it the way I want it, so it's easy for me to get to the back. Watch, I'm getting to the back, easy, and I could bring it more if I want, or I could spin it if I want more for my tummy and get it more room. And again, this is turned to a bed, so this piece come down and become a bed. That's on the U-shaped dinette, and there's a storage underneath the U-shaped dinette on both sides. Over here, we have a nice hide-a-bed sofa. Seat easy, 2 people, and I could watch the TV as well. The people sitting on the table, they could watch the TV with no problem. So this is the Wildwood Heritage Glen. Now, I want to emphasize about the windows. Did anybody seen the screws of the windows? No. Other ones, you can. This one, no. Because they put a solid fascia for the windows, so you can't see windows. And then they give you the modern. I love this one. So I don't have that stupid roller shade running against the wall. Look how clean it is and how privacy it is. And it's easy. I could portion open, or I could open it completely. Another thing, the roof, nobody noticed. Look in the ceiling, is again modern LED lights, but it's a curved roof, so the water will not sit on it. So these kind of features, sometimes customers, they just focus on the floor plan, but they don't see what extra they're getting in this one. A third thing, the number of ACs. One here, there'll be one in the bedroom, and then one back. Coming down here, I like that small bench. So when you walk in, you tie your shoes, you take your shoes off, you store them underneath the steps, or you could put your dog bowl underneath the step, or cat or dog. So, and again, these are foldable step, solid step. Going here, easy entry assistant handle. We're going to the main bedroom. As you see in the main bedroom, this is beautiful walk around queen bed, and then you have the nice shelf here. You can put your cell phone, the 2 tones wall panels with LED lights, and the plugs, USB plug there, USB plug here. Another bench here, you could sit and get dressed up. USB plug here. There's another TV location here. We give you the main TV in the living area, but again, you could add one in the bedroom. You could add one also in the bunk room. Hidden storage for the ladies. Place for socks, towel, jeans. And then there's a storage underneath. I want to show you. And I like what they give you these bins. Make it so easy. The RV industry changed 360 degrees from previous years. Like these kind of extra touch, very open. Look how you could use it as a dressing room also. So they give you more storage, more options. Isn't it beautiful, this closet door? I wish I have this one in my house with the mirrors. And then here, I'm gonna prove for you how big this one, I could stand in this closet. This is a nice closet doors, shelves. A lot of them, they lacking shelf. This one have shelf for jeans, folding shirts, and so, or shoes. Use a shoes rack. You could put a stackable washer and dryer here, no question asked, as you see, very room for it. And all this hanging clothes for you. Okay, let's go to the bathroom number 2. Bathroom number 2, again, solid service, nice faucet, oval shaped mirrors with LED light, a sink with a room, and 60-inch, we call it. Look at the elbow, look at the height. So if you're a tall person, you could put your head here. Nice shower head, very roomy porcelain toilet. So this is the 356QB. Has 2 bedroom in the front, bedroom in the back, 2 full bathroom, and perfect for your family. Perfect if you want to live in it, if you're traveling nurse, if you are a lineman, all this, whatever job you do, you want a house on wheels, this is the one. Come into Best RV and grab it.